I also want to bring in some additional data. I've got a local text file here which contains the type of crime and then two RGB values in hexadecimal. The first one is going to be the fill color for my point objects when I display them on the map, and the outside one is going to be a outline color if I choose to use it. So this is just a dark gray, and that is the same for all of them, but this first value is the one that changes. So to bring in this CSV, we do get data again, select text CSV, select the CSV file, and then we'll just load, transform the data. So in this case, column 1, I would like it to be the crime type. Column 2 is my fill color, if I could spell right. Column 3 is the outline color. Wonderful. And I can close and apply that as well. So you've probably worked out what the next step is. We can go over to our model view and just check. You see Power BI has already made the assessment that crime type is a field that exists in both tables, and we're going to use that relationship to use the fill color in the street crime starting lookup table as a value for the coloring when we come to map the street crime. In this relationship, you can double click on it and just make sure that this cross filter direction is set to both, and then press OK.